Thinking about making a crazy anonymous post online? You might want to think again. What you post online can lead to serious consequences. There have been times where a student has posted pictures of guns, making threats about shooting up the school. That can lead to serious criminal consequences. It could be considered a terroristic threat. It could be considered an assault if it's targeted at a specific person. There are a number of consequences within our legal system if you post online. And posting anonymously doesn't necessarily protect you either. The police have mechanisms that they can get search warrants for your user information, IP address. They're going to figure out who is making these threats. So before you post something crazy online or you post some threat, even if you think it's just a joke, it's not going to be considered that way. If you are pressuring somebody to unalive themselves, it could end in an involuntary manslaughter charge or something of that nature. You can also get in trouble for what's called swatting. Swatting is when you make a false police report to either the FBI or your local police to go to a home and there is nothing going on there. And it can lead to some really negative consequences. In addition to filing a false police report, people have even ended up dead from these swatting instances because they aren't aware of what's going on and the police think there is a true threat there. So don't do it. You might be thinking that what you say online doesn't carry the same weight as what you say in person and in real life, but trust me, it does. And it can carry the same legal consequences and criminal liability. So the next time you're on Instagram or Twitter, when you're direct messaging someone, be careful of what you're sending and what you're saying. You never know who's on the other end. You might think that you're protected and there's a barrier in front of you with that computer screen or cell phone. These things that you post or the comments that you make on the internet are traceable, they're logged, they're stored, and if it's on the internet, it's gonna be there probably forever. And you might think that you're in the clear because you have a VPN service, but police have their ways of tracking you down and they will find you. So think before you post, before you send things, because those things can definitely be held against you in court. Even if you get mad at somebody and you make a threat, you can say you didn't mean it, but that is still a threat and can still get you in trouble. But if you find yourself in a position that you had posted something and you're in trouble and you need criminal help, call us at Varghese Somerset. Our phone number is 817-203-2220. Thanks for watching.